and I really like it. This is like my fifth jar of it. So it's Karseell. It has collagen, and this is what I use to wash my hair. It doesn't like it detangles it. I just put it's like let me show you guys. It is really thick conditioner, super moisturizing. So I'll have my hair in four sections and I just pat it in. Does that make sense? After I wet it. And then I will, with a hair pick, a wide tooth hair pick or a hair pick, I will go from the bottom up, right? So I'm detangling from the bottom up and really making sure it's in my hair, letting it sit, while I do the rest of whatever I'm going to do in the shower, and then like scrubbing my scalp with it. And it's amazing. I feel like these products together are helping my hair stay healthier. And I'm avoiding like the breakage. And so then I can have more length. And then I can have more length. It's just easier to style my hair. I can put it up and do different things. It's not like it's always a project. You know what I mean? With curly hair, it's like the shorter it is, I feel like it's more work. The longer it is, it's easier because I can just pull it back and then it can look okay.